climb all up. Okay. I'll do this one. You can do that. Okay. Get out of here.
I wanted to say hi to my family back in Baton Rouge, and I heard the storm was coming y'all way. I hope y'all be safe, and I'm praying for you. Thank you.
Give me a status and location. Everybody good with water and MREs and everything?
Status screen on everything, sir. Cool.
Roger that.
Okay, go ahead and follow this way. Go straight down right over there. You're gonna see the bus over there. Y si no pueden caminar, lo vamos a poner en otro autobús por ahí. Y tienen problemas con todo el cuerpo y ellos van a ir en otro bus para Baton Rouge, para LSU Medical Center. Y
so hunker down, we're prepared to support any mission that we may be called upon to do.
During the early afternoon hours on Monday, high winds left trees and power lines on the ground. Tent City, the area set up for the influx of soldiers arriving on post, was ripped to pieces.
Whoa! I can feel the wind picking up and the hurricane's coming through.
Mike is been 3.
I want to know if it's worthwhile for us to fly over there or not. Chuck gives us the word they're secure. We're going to put them.
And they call me warrior. They call me loyalty. And they call me ready to provide relief and help out wherever you need me to be. I'm an American warrior, a citizen soldier.
Cold Still Mike. This is White 4. All clear at this time. Roger. White 4 out.